if you want Y2K hair like this video is for you. So this is gonna be a little tutorial on how I got this in my hair. First, you know what we're starting with. I just woke up. This is the messy bun. You're just gonna brush it all out, make sure it's all even and you don't have any tangles or scragglers. And then I like to use this Moroccan hair oil. I recently started using it and it's working wonders. The ends of my hair are so much healthier than they used to be, honestly, which I appreciate so much, especially as someone who dyes their hair a lot. I always like to comb it through just to make sure that I get an even application. I apply it to the ends with my hand and then just brush it through. Now we're gonna create a little swoopy, so this is gonna pull out my bangs. I just use a little comb and create it as sharp as possible. That's the part. Tie it up with a little rubber band, get it out of the way, so you can work with the rest of your hair and you're not gonna get that stuck in there. Alright, so now we're gonna start the sectioning for the little, I guess, ponytails in the back. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, so I actually ended up taking this first one out at the end, but yeah, I still left it in the video because I did it. I didn't like the way it looked, but it's okay. So you're just gonna take little sections like this, pull out a little bit next to your ear, make sure you have kind of like a little face framing moment, and then just tie it back. I just use little elastics. I like these a lot. It doesn't really matter what you use, honestly. Alright, second section. So I guess technically this would be the first section. So you don't have to do that first one that I just did. Just do this one first. Because I did end up taking it out, like I said. And you're just gonna do 4 of these. So one right here, and then you're gonna part it in the middle next, and then, yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna measure it. I measure using my comb, kinda just eyeballing it, and then I'm just centering it down. I'm trying to keep the pieces as even as possible with the part behind it. I do struggle a little bit with the part, but it's okay. It's still cute. Messy is still cute. So if you can't get this even, don't freak out. It's okay. I promise. It took me a million tries. I wanted to actually create like more hair videos. I don't know if that's something y'all would want to see. If you did get this far and you want to see more hair tutorials, just please leave a comment, let me know. I'll be happy to make more. I'm thinking about trying new cute hairstyles like every day, maybe a series, question mark. But yeah. And then now we're just gonna take the next section, same thing. Try to even it out with the other one, make sure it looks the same. I don't know why it's taking me so long to put these rubber bands in. I'm so sorry. I'm getting impatient. But yeah. I always like to brush it out too. So when I put the rubber band in, I like to just tighten it and then brush out the very end, like the part of the hair that is in the ponytail, if that makes sense. Just like that, but when it's in the rubber band. I just want to make sure that there's no tangles because I'm trying to get it to look as sleek as possible without using gel. I don't know, I don't really like the feeling of gel in my hair. It just feels crusty. I don't really know how to describe it. But I am trying to find a good mousse, so if anyone has a good mousse recommendation, please let me know. All I have is like a curl cream right now, and obviously that's not gonna do anything for what I need it to do. So you're just gonna take the 2 pieces on each side and grab a little bit of hair from the top of your head that's not tied up already and just create a little pigtail. So I'm trying to get it as even as possible, obviously still just brushing it out, making sure that the part is even around my head. And at this point, I already took out the other one and brushed it out because I didn't like that little first one that we did. And then now we're gonna do the same thing on this side. We're gonna put it into a little half up, half down pigtail. And I always use my comb when I'm doing something like this because I want to make sure that it's as flat as possible as well. I don't want it to be bumpy. This one was giving me a hard time, so I actually redid it. Look at that bump right there. And the fact is, I did it again and the bump still showed up, but it's okay. I just put a bobby pin in. So the bobby pin is definitely a lifesaver. I used a few in this look. Yeah. There she is. There's the lifesaver. Alright, and now we're just gonna comb it all out. So I just like to comb it all out, make sure it's all even still. None of the hair from the bottom that's not supposed to be tied up isn't stuck in the rubber bands, because that does happen a lot. And I just want to make sure it looks all, I guess, put together. Sorry if I'm repeating myself a lot in this video. I don't really know what to say. Yeah. It looks really cute from the top. I love how it turned out, honestly. Alright, and the last part is the bangs, obviously. So we just have to take care of that. I'm doing just a little swoop. So I just like comb it out and then swoop it to the side. And I'm gonna bobby pin it as well. Honestly, they probably would have stayed if I didn't bobby pin it, but I wanted to, so I did. I put 2 in there, and I'm just making sure it's all straight. There's no little pieces of my bangs that are falling out because they are not all the same length pieces of hair, so it's okay. And honestly, it turned out so beautiful. Like, I'm so happy with how it is. And thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more tutorials like this, please let me know. I love you guys. Please consider following